so we're all wired for sound. There's more electronics on the bike than there actually is in it. Little check. Some cheeky little lifesavers. Greg would be proud. Let's go along to Cockteeth, see what's going on along there. So it's bloody cold this morning. So what are we, early March? It's about 1-2 degrees this morning, so I've got all my gear on. Bit overkill, like a full adventure suit, but it's got armour, and doesn't matter whether you're 90cc or 900cc, you do not want to be dicking around when it comes to safety. Turn the indicator off. Right, we'll take a little right just down here. No, we won't. We'll go further through. Let's take a left at this crossroads. It's been a long time since I've been up that way, so let's give that a try. Down in a second. Watch the van. Cancel the indicator. I have to say, having only ridden this thing a few times, out now on an essential journey from my elderly mother who desperately needs a poppy seeded baguette. They didn't have any at the Shell station, only some blessed, and that's no good for her at all. She's allergic to bleach. Oh, cheeky little family out doing a bit of rubbish collecting. Morning. This is oh blimey. Cool. Just down here there's I've been told there's a very good bakery. Couple of little bangs from underneath the bike. I don't know what that is, whether that's the stand just clicking up against the frame. Not sure. Something to investigate. But engine wise, so far it's been really good. We're doing 20 odd miles an hour down here. Don't want to do much more than that. The front brakes are on these are vague. I think will be a reasonable. Yeah, they scrub a bit off, but it's mostly on the back, which is, well, yeah, it's not too bad actually. Having said that, I'm used to the other Honda, which will sort of stop on a sixpence. Bit mucky down here. Don't want to meet anything coming the other way. Take it easy. Mud and shit on the road, and with these temperatures, it might even be a little bit icy. Yeah, the rear brake is pretty keen. Oh, through a puddle. I wonder what's up there. Oh well, let's go along here and find out. See what's along here. Oh wow. I've lived about, I suppose, 3 miles from that. I didn't even know that was there. That's the beauty of these little things. Oh, motorbiking in general. You sort of get off the beaten track a little bit. You can get to see all sorts, which is great. And I think that's really what we're part of why we want to do the Med2 Med. You know, we want to. It was a bike trip that we sort of planned to do anyway, and then sort of turned into a charity event, but the idea was really not to sit on the motorway and blast the miles out, but get to actually see a bit of the countryside and take our time a little bit. And doing it on the Cubs forces us to do that. Obviously can't go on the motorways, and to be fair, the bigger N roads, D roads, the larger D roads, you just don't want to be sitting there constantly worrying about cars coming up behind you at 50, 60 miles an hour. Much rather be doing something like this. Well, maybe not quite like this. Look at it. Bloody hell. Oh my god. That's a bit interesting. Oh, proper bit of off-roading there. Feet down. God knows what to expect from this bike. So discretion being the better part of valour. I'll put the stabilisers down. Yeah, see, these are the sort of roads we want to be travelling on. Nothing behind me, nothing in front of me. Pleasant surroundings. Take our time, do a few stupid things along the way, and raise as much as we can for the Stroke Association and for the Alzheimer's Society. Though I have to say, the two Rebeccas have been really helpful. Very encouraging, give us a few tips, few pointers in terms of what to do to raise the profile and get the word out there, which is sort of what we're trying to do at the moment. And yeah, a couple of great emails from both of them, really G'd us both up, to be fair. Don't want my nose to get cold. And here we go. Another little run up at Linton Hill. 25 in second. Oh, a bit more than that. Almost 30 in second. I'm doing 25 miles an hour now. Volvo's better get a bit closer. Didn't have quite the run up that we had last time. We were able to take a good old run at this hill. I think I might have to grab second in a minute. Come on, are we going to do it? Are we going to hang on? That Volvo's had enough, I think. We are now doing 15 miles an hour. Volvo's going past. I think we might just make it in third. 14 miles an hour. You can see it's cresting just up there. Are we going to have to grab second? I think we are. There we go. Picking up speed now. There we go. 20 miles an hour. 25. Third gear. 40 miles an hour. Not 40 miles an hour, about 35 now. Nose is getting cold. Salt drifting across the road. Peaking at about 28. And we're just coming up to the GIBCA Research and Development Establishment. So, slow down.